It's the Aunt Nae Nae Show! Hey!
Hey kids, it's Aunt Nae Nae here and welcome to the Aunt Nae Nae Show. In today's episode, I'm going to be showing you how to make a paper airplane. Let's get started. Here it goes.
So, I've got my paper here, and first, I'm going to fold it in half like this. Match up the corners so it gets nice and even and crease it with your finger like that. Then you're going to turn it this way, and then you're going to make 3 triangles on each side. Let me show you. So that's the first one. And you're going to fold it in a triangle again and match up the edge with the bottom here and crease it with your finger. And then one more big triangle, match up the bottom and crease it with your finger. And then you're going to turn it over and do the same thing on the other side. So like this. 1. Doesn't have to be perfectly even. And 3. Okay, now fix the tip so it's sharp, and then you hold it by this part, and voila, it's a paper airplane.
So, now that we've got our paper airplane done, let's go outside and see how it flies. First, let me show you how to throw it. You hold it by the middle part, underneath it like this, and then you try to throw it as straight as you can, straight out like that. And then you let go. Let's try it. Okay, here it goes. You ready? 1, 2, 3. It did pretty good. Not bad for a first try. Let's try it again. Okay, I'm going to throw it towards you. Woo! Oh, it went behind me. Let's try it one more time. Ready? 3, 2, 1, go! Well, I guess it did okay. Now you can go home and try making your own paper airplanes. I'm curious to see how they turn out. Well, that's it for this episode. Keep on watching the Aunt Nae Nae Show. And remember, kids, you are kind, you are smart, you are important. Thanks for watching. Have a great day. Bye!